had a couple of people asking about my son Matthew, who of course you've seen some videos on him. He's getting ready to start his business. Well, right now he's getting some more gear, and this is a couple of things that just came in that he's going to be using. This is the new Microphase from American DJ. This is one of their new LED lights with a 3-in-1 LED. We'll be talking and doing some more things with that. But the one I wanted to show you was, and I'm pretty excited about this because I saw this at NAMM. I saw this, gosh, you've seen these all over. This is the ELS 15A. This is from American Audio here. These are a 15 two-way with a price point under $200. So it's a powered speaker with a price point under $200. I'm going to be opening these things up. We're going to be doing some videos on here this week, but right now we're getting some gear ready. We've got a Micro Blast light. This is the Microphase. We've got a Micro Blast light, if you've seen Brian Red's video on this, where it looks like confetti on the wall. Cool effect. I'm really excited about that. So that's going to be coming. And also a Duo, American DJ Duo controller, a dual station controller. He's going to be using that with the show, so we're going to be getting that in also. So a lot of cool stuff. We're going to actually be setting his full show up here because he's got a show in a couple of weeks. And then he's doing some marketing, and I wanted to share his marketing. But those things are coming. Right now, we're getting some more gear ready for his next upcoming high school show, which is in about 2 weeks.